How to upload short video on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can upload short video on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to upload short video on YouTube, you just have to open the YouTube application. Now I'm assuming you must be talking about YouTube Shorts, right? So if you come to Shorts, maybe you can see other people's short and you might want to think about also uploading your own shorts. Well, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just tap the plus icon that you can find here, tap on create a short option, or you can upload a video. So if you have not created a short and you want to create it, you can just allow it right over here, which is the camera access. But this is like recording a video over here, or you can also choose the one from a gallery by just tapping the allow access option, and then you can simply add the clips and edit them. If there is a video that you've already uploaded or maybe edited, you can tap the plus icon instead, tap and upload a video, and then select the video that you want to upload. That must be under 60 seconds and in a resolution of this format over here, which is 9:16 aspect ratio. After that only, that will get automatically converted to a short video. This way you can upload shorts on YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.